Hello guys, welcome to the Hero Toys and Games YouTube channel. Before continuing, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Okay guys, today we are going to review MMS473 D23 Iron Man Mark 50 from Hot Toys. As you can see, these are the ARC box and the shipping box, or the brown box of Iron Man Mark 50. This is the 23rd Iron Man die-cast that Hot Toys ever made, in 1/6 scale action figure. Actually, only 75% of this figure is a die-cast and 20% are made by hard plastic. The art box design is quite good, you can use it as the background of your display. Remember, don't throw the boxes away, because if you want to sell it later the price won't fall. The height of the box is 8 inches or 203.2 millimeters, the width of the box is 11 inches or 279.4 millimeters, and depth of the box is 18 inches or 457.2 millimeters. There is a cover box outside the black art box, so it seems you have two different backgrounds boxes. Inside the black art box, there is a styrofoam box to keep the figure safe. Now you can see what is inside the styrofoam box. There are one head sculpt of Robert Downey Jr., one action figure, Iron Man Mark 50, one neck collar, two articulated hands, two non-articulated hands. You'll get other parts behind the styrofoam box, such as one stand base batteries, one air flaps for back of the armor, one cannon left arm, one interchangeable nano booster, and one manual book to guide you how to play with the figure. There are 21 LED light-up points throughout parts of the armor, and there are several battery mounting points such as on the head, hands, back and thighs. The type of batteries used is LR621 for the head and thighs, LR41 for the back, L521F for the arms. As you can see now, the LED will be seen more clearly when the lights are dimmer. This is how it looks like when we plug all the accessorizes on. Here you will see the comparison of height between Iron Man Mark III, Mark 47 and Mark 50. Mark III looks most dwarf than the others. Well guys, we are at the end of this video now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews.